Are you tired of deep conditioning that just do not seem to work? My queens, do not worry, I'm with you, because I used to feel the same way until I started adding those 3 kitchen simple ingredients to my regular conditioner. This routine is changing my daughter's hair story and is helping me also. Look at how my daughter's hair is looking, very dry and rough, right? So now I want to use the regular deep conditioner. I leave it this way because I want to show it to you guys, for you guys to see the magic of this regular conditioner that you have in your house. You can add some few ingredients into it and transform your hair. Now let's start to the business, my people. Right now I have my regular conditioner. The conditioner, it doesn't matter, you can use any deep conditioner by your choice. Anyone that you'll be using for your house is available. You are free to use it. The only thing, try to get the ingredients that I'm going to add into it. Try to get it and add it. That's the most important. Okay, my queens, right now I'm going to add my sweet almond oil inside. Please, you can add any oil of your choice. I'm adding the sweet almond oil because my daughter is having low porosity hair, and low porosity hair, as I'm talking to you guys, you know what I'm talking about. Sweet almond oil is very, very good for those who have low porosity hair. But do not worry about the oil that I add. Add the oil of your choice, or your hair type oil. You can use any oil that you prefer to put inside. Okay, so right now, after I add my sweet almond oil, the next thing that I'm going to add, or the next thing that I'm adding, is my honey. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey inside because honey also is having natural humectants. It's helping to soft the hair, to make a hair healthier, to make your scalp very clean. So after that, the next ingredient I'm adding is castor oil. Castor oil, as you know, castor oil is very heavy for those who have low porosity hair, right? It's very heavy, but I'm adding it inside because this thing is just a deep conditioner treatment that I'm going to use for my daughter. After that, I'm going to wash it off, so it doesn't. That's why I told you that you can add any oil of your choice, or your desired oil, the oil that you think that it will help you. Use that oil. Don't use anyhow oil. Use the oil that is going to help you. So my people, after everything, my people, please check my channel and watch this video. I have my potato water and potato leave-in spray on my channel. So that one I'm using on my daughter hair because her hair is already washed yesterday. But her hair, as you can see, when I wash it, I didn't do anything. The hair is so dry. My daughter is having dry hair, to be honest, and her hair is very strong like that also. So all the time I always make sure to use some things that will help her, or will help me also, not for me to get tired and not for her also to start crying. Something that will make her hair very soft and easier for me to do my work. So I use my potato water and aloe vera gel for the leave-in spray. Please go and watch that video and learn how you can do. So when you do it like this, her hair is start to be getting more soft. It will be easier for me to do my work. So I'm going to use the water to hydrate all her scalp and massage it. As you guys can see, I'm massaging her scalp. I'm massaging the scalp like that, every part of her hair. I'm dividing the hair actually. So I'll after do everything, all the hair like that, and that's the time that I'm going to start applying the thing. So please stay tuned with me and we do everything together, my queens. So my people, as you guys can see, I finished hydrating the hair. The hair has changed, right? That's why I say this leave-in spray is the magic. You can see amount of hair that I remove after, hydrating and combing. After all that I comb, you can see amount of hair that removed from my daughter hair, and her hair has changed as the beginning, and now you can see the hair is changed. That leave-in spray is very powerful. It's very good for both parents, children, and mothers. It's very good because it will help you for your child to be safe without shouting or without crying. So please try and learn it and use it for yourself and your children. So now after everything, now I'm starting to apply it and the deep conditioner into her hair. The most important for me to apply this, when I do it normally, I usually put her into the heat cap, but now, as you guys know, the weather has changed here in Europe or everywhere. I don't know. Let me just talk about the country that I'm living in. Belgium here, the weather is very hot now, so I'm not going to put her into the hot cap. The only thing I'm going to, after doing like this, I will cover it and allow her to sit at least 15 to 20 minutes. Then I will take her and go and wash it off. So stay tuned and we do everything together. My people, I'm so sorry my earpiece with my airport was off. I didn't know that is off. But anyway, I was just going to leave it like that because I don't want to go back again. But thank you very much for watching. This is the end of the hair doing the treatment. Normally in this way, you have to allow your child to sit at least 15 to 20 minutes is okay. But even if you use the hot cup, maybe 10 minutes, even you can take your child and go and wash. But now the problem is, if only she just like a princess, like sleeping, because sometimes you can be doing like that. By the time you will finishing, princess will say, oh, I want to sleep. Then I have no choice. I have to allow her go and sleep for 1 hour or more than 1 hour before I wash her hair. But if not, normally I don't allow her to sit too much, because she will get bored with the hair. So I don't like it that way. But right now she said she wants to sleep, so I have to just finish it fast and allow her sleep, so that I can be free to wash it while she wake up. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed, you like what I'm doing, you like natural hair, please support us by liking, support us by subscribing, and follow our page. Okay, please do not forget, you can also give us, if you like this video, just give us thumbs up and share it. It's very, very important for me and my little girl, because that will make YouTube for them to push it up. And also, just say, if you love natural hair, say yes, I love natural hair. Just say yes, I love natural hair in the comments below. Okay, I love you all. Bye bye.